C Programming Language Introduction. C is a powerful general-purpose programming language that was initially developed to rewrite the Unix operating system. It was initially developed by Dennis Ritchie in the year 1972. Apart from that, modern web browsers like Google's Chrome and Firefox, database management systems like MySQL and hundreds of other applications use C. C is taught as the first programming language for many beginners. This is because learning C helps you to understand how the software and hardware interact with each other. Beginning with C programming. Structure of a C program. Header, main, variable declaration, body, return. The components of the above structure are 1. Header files inclusion. The first and foremost component is the inclusion of the header files in a C program. A header file is a file with extension .h which contains C function declarations and macro definitions to be shared between several source files. 2. Main method declaration. The next part of a C program is to declare the main function. Syntax to declare the main method. Int main opening parenthesis closing parenthesis, opening brace closing brace. 3. Variable declaration. The next part of any C program is the variable declaration. It refers to the variables that are to be used in the function. Example: int main opening parenthesis closing parenthesis, opening brace, int a semicolon. In C program, no variable can be used without being declared, and also the variables are to be declared before any operation in the function. 3. Body. The body of a function in the C program refers to the operations that are performed in the functions. It can be anything like manipulations, searching, sorting, printing, etc. Example. 4. Return statement. The last part of any C program is the return statement. The return statement refers to the returning of the values from a function. This return statement and return value depend upon the return type of the function. Example. Did you find it useful? Follow Coding Sanhai in Instagram and YouTube for more.